Now we're going to work with the blade. First thing we recommend is you put on cut-proof gloves. Blades are razor sharp, they will take your fingers off. First thing you need to know about the blade is that the blade has a bevel on the outside edge of the blade here. If you look at the inside edge, there's no bevel. All right, on the 613, because the blade guide is on the top of your blade loop, the bevel goes on the outside edge of your blade. It should come packed that way in its shipping box. Okay, so now we're going to put the blade on. Make sure it gets up underneath the blade guard. On the drive side pulley, put your index finger on it to hold it. Slip it underneath the top of the blade wiper. On the idle side pulley. And now you want to bring some tension on it. Make it tight enough so it doesn't come off when you pull on it, so you can treat it like a rubber band and put it in the blade guide slot. Once it's in the slot, give it a little spin to seat. Take it to proper tension. And put the blade wiper on. 90-degree turn on the blade wiper should hold it in place. Okay, so now we're going to do tracking. The space we're looking at is this space right here. We do not want that space. You want to get that blade as close to the back edge of that pulley as you can get without touching it. Things to remember is you have to spin in the direction of rotation. Make sure you spin the pulley about 10 times for every 1/16 of an inch that you turn the tracking knob. The blade moves in the direction that you turn the tracking knob. There you go. That looks really good. And make sure you lock the knob. Okay, what we're going to talk about now is proper blade guide relationship. All right, with the blade in the blade guide, you should take a screwdriver, just push on it. Make sure you push straight back and you should see it slightly move. Book value is 1 to 10 thousandths gap behind the blade. Okay, the other is the blade should touch the top lip. You should only take finger pressure to take it off the top lip. Just lay it on there, don't push on it, just lay it on there.